Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Kawaii Cat Tarot. This is a tarot deck and guidebook that is created by the Sanlop Group. They are distributed by Kawaii Lab Games, and the illustrator is Lopez de Medrano, and the designer is Juan Carlos Santana. Thank you so much to the Sanlop Group for sending this my way. I'm very excited because I absolutely adore animal decks, especially cat decks, so this looks so fun. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. You love cats and you love tarot? Here you have the most adorable deck ever. Ideal for beginners. Tarot cards are a popular form of divination that is used to predict the future. It has been around for centuries and people still use them today. Kawaii Cat Tarot is based on traditional tarot cards that are hand-drawn with a touch of cute cat characters. All right, I like the packaging. It's a nice box. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, before we get into the cards, this is a nice size guidebook. Okay, let's get into this real fast and see if there's anything pertinent we need to know. We do have a really nice table of contents with page numbers for each card here for the major arcana. We have an introduction to tarot, shuffling tips, as well as cleansing your deck here. And then tarot throws or layout. So we have 3 cards, the decision maker. Oh, we even have the difficulty here too. That's really cool. So 5-card cross, the Celtic cross, and then it goes into the cards' meanings. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at each of the cards in here for a flip through, and then we'll take a look back at the guidebook for a more comprehensive, in-depth dive. All right, here's the back. Look at how fun that is. I love the paw prints. Adorable. High gloss. Cardstock is not bad. It's like a nice sweet point between thin and medium. So I feel like the shuffle is going to be really nice. That coating's on there. That's going to help protect it a little bit longer from your shuffling. So that's nice. That will be a good shuffle, I think. All right, so here we go. We have the number up top, title at the bottom. We do have some white borders there. Oh my goodness. Very clear titles. Cute. It is definitely adorable. Very minimal in what's going on so far. I would like to know what he is driving there. Oh my gosh, adorable. We still have a lot of the symbols going on. I do wish there was a little bit more going on behind the scenes, just for my preference. But it is very cute and very simple. So if that is your vibe, you might really gravitate toward this. Oh, it's so cute. Aww. Oh, cute. All right, well, the major is really cute. Let's see the minor. So we're in the cups. So it's looking like a pip style deck. So meaning you just have the symbols there. You don't have much going on as a scene. All right, swords. So it looks like the same situation here. I could see this being used as a daily deck. I can see this being used for those who like a more cute, gentler style. And we have wands. And pentacles. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh, yeah. What's my doing? And overhand. Yeah. All right. Nice. Okay, so we're going to read for the 7 of Pentacles here. Okay, lots of info here, which is exciting. So the upright keywords, we have perseverance, long-term view, investment, and assessment. Reverse keywords, lack of long-term vision, impatience, missed opportunity, and poor investments. 7 of Pentacles upright meaning. The 7 of Pentacles represents patience, evaluation, and long-term planning. It speaks to the importance of assessing progress, making adjustments, and being patient for future rewards. For work, it indicates a period of assessment and reflection in the workplace. It suggests that the querent may be evaluating their career progress and considering long-term goals, encouraging them to be patient and make necessary adjustments for future success. For health, it suggests the need for patience and careful evaluation regarding health. It indicates that the querent might be assessing their health routines and progress, encouraging them to continue their efforts and be patient for long-term health improvements. For finances, it signifies financial evaluation and long-term planning. It suggests that the querent may be reviewing their financial investments and strategies, encouraging them to make a thoughtful adjustment and be patient for future financial growth. For love, it suggests the importance of patience and evaluation in relationships. It indicates that the querent might be reflecting on the progress of their relationship and considering future goals, encouraging them to make adjustments and be patient for long-term harmony. And for spirituality, it signifies a period of spiritual assessment and long-term planning. It suggests that the querent may be evaluating their spiritual journey and making adjustments to their practices, encouraging them to be patient and trust in their spiritual growth. And then I won't read all of this, but the Seven of Pentacles reversed meaning is when reversed, the Seven of Pentacles may indicate impatience, lack of progress, or poor planning. It suggests the need to reassess efforts and make necessary changes. All right. So as far as beginner friendly, yes, with the guidebook, this will be very helpful for you because sometimes when we're looking at this type of picture, setup, scene, it's hard to tell emotionally what's going on. It's hard to tell what to pick up from it because there's not a lot going on, especially when it's very similar to the rest of the cards in the suit, right? So it can kind of be a little confusing to pick up on anything. But if you are somebody who follows pip decks really well or numerology, that sort of thing, it might be easy for you to kind of decipher that way with your intuition and knowledge. But with the guidebook, this makes perfect sense. Like I said, it's all about preference when it comes to like pip and like Marseille type decks. So it's really up to you how you like to prefer to read. Me, I like to have a scene going on, but this is adorable. It's definitely useful. The guidebook is great. I think it's super cute. So for any of you that like to have a more whimsical type deck that's cute and fun, and if you love cats, this might be for you. Its quality is really nice and it shuffles really well. With that being said, thank you so much to the Sanlop Group for sending this my way. It is adorable. I am going to enjoy getting to know it a little bit further. I would love to know what you guys think of this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this a deck that's been on your radar? Is this a deck that you find that you need in your collection? What are all of your thoughts? Please let me know in the comment section below. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out with the algorithm gods. Thank you once again for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.